Ooh, I like this bike. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? It's about 7:30, almost 7:30, and we're headed to a little local event, a little local bike night. They're doing the first bike night here at a local Sonic. It's been a long time since I've gone to any type of events, and this is local. It's a bike night, and I figured why not take out the 765. I haven't really done that. I don't really ride it right now, and yeah, so that's what we're doing. So yeah, stick around. Let's go check it out. Well, while we're on our way there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that little notification bell. It definitely helps out the channel. I really would appreciate it if you guys clicked it. And yeah, I guess quickly, something I really wanted to talk about on the way there, while we're on the way there, is I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I mean, you may not know or be able to tell, but I'm like extremely antisocial. Like, I just don't like talking to new people. It's just not my favorite thing. I don't know what to talk about. Like, all those things that you hear is like, you know, oh, oops, damn, I can't believe I stalled. See what I'm talking about? I'm nervous. Anyways, yeah, like, so all those things that, like, all the check marks of being like nervous, don't know what to say, don't know how to talk to people, don't know how to approach people, like, in my mind, like, I know how to, but I don't know what it is. There's just something about it. Like, I just don't like going to these types of events by myself. Yeah, so this is probably like one of the first events that I'm going to by myself. Normally I'm with friends, or I bring someone with me, or bring my kid with me. Obviously there's no back seat on this bike, so we're gonna see how it goes. And on top of that, I'm gonna try to make a vlog out of this. I'm trying to video and get some footage for you guys and see what shows up, which means I'm gonna have to carry around the GoPro with the mic and the whole nine. And yeah, so on top of that, I'm gonna be freaking carrying all this stuff, and that's awkward in its own right. Like, that is completely awkward. If you've never walked around with a camera, like, pointing it at yourself and talking to yourself while people are all around you, it's really weird. It's really awkward. It's kind of windy, but it's really warm out. It's about 80 some degrees out right now. Maybe low 80s. This area being so small, I'm really curious, like, what the turnout's going to be like, how many bikes are going to be here, and that kind of thing. It's such a small area. Like, the fact that they're having a bike night here, I was like, huh, that's going to be interesting. So we'll see. Man, this bike is badass. I'm just glad I get to go out on this thing, man. I haven't ridden it very much. We'll see what the deal is. See a few bikes. All right. Yeah, so we're here. It's an okay turnout. I mean, not a lot of bikes, but it's a Wednesday and it's kind of in the middle of nowhere, right? So we'll see. Stick around a little bit, see if anyone else shows up. No bikes that make me go ooh. Yeah, kind of interesting. I don't know what I was expecting coming out here, like whether there was going to be a bunch of bikes or not a bunch of bikes, but kind of interesting. I mean, comparing to like a San Diego meetup, I've been to a few San Diego meetups like this. I think I went to a Cycle Gear and it was similar to this. It wasn't like crazy big or a lot of people, so, but yeah, we'll see what happens. So I guess you get like 10% off at Sonic or some shit like that for coming to the event. So I was hoping that like, I'd see another Triumph here, but there ain't no other Triumphs. Kind of lame. There's definitely some interesting characters out here. It's cool. Motorcycle attorneys. So I think the Shark attorney place is the one that came out to SCMF. Little scooter thing, man, that's funny. He's wheeling that thing, that's pretty dope. I don't know why, but it drives me a sap crazy. These ones are pretty dope. I think I've seen that one before. Yeah, those are pretty dope. That's one way to roll in. That's a lot of fun. This is what I was talking about, man. I'm not good at like just walking up and talking to people. I'm pretty shitty at it. So there's a lot of people here, kind of a lot of people here, but I'm like, I don't know. Do I go up and say hello? Do I wait for them to come see me? That's always my problem, man. Where you at, Kenny? You should have rode down here. Yeah, right. Of course I didn't catch it. This dude just wheelied and ate shit. That was good. It's good. It's got a cage on it. I was like literally gonna come over here. I was like, oh, I'm gonna go film this dude do wheelies. And then he went boom. So you gonna keep going? That was a rough fall though. They weren't slow wheelies, that's for sure. Definitely loud. Alright, well, I think that's pretty much it here. I'm gonna take off. Let's yeah, let's get on the road. Alright, well, yeah, it's alright. This is probably one of the best bikes here. This ZX14, that shit's pretty dope. It looked clean. This father and son riding, that's pretty fucking cool, man. I think that's really dope. I totally missed it though. That dude crashed. His bike completely spun. I was ready to walk over there too, man. That kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for the bike to heat up. Definitely cool to come out. I mean, I wish more people were wearing masks, but it's cool to be able to get out of the house, see a bunch of different bikes, a couple cool people. It's just, like I said, I'm so awkward, man. Like meeting people, talking to people is so weird for me. So anyways, let us get going. Alrighty then. Well, that was interesting. I mean, I don't know how much of a good video this is gonna make, to be honest. I'm so awkward, man. I really try not to be, but it's so hard for me. There was definitely a couple cool bikes, but nothing like spectacular. It's a cool event. I'll probably come back, check it out. Maybe it'll grow. Maybe it'll become a bigger event. I don't know. I thought about maybe posting about it a little bit more, but with everything going on, I wasn't even sure I was gonna come. And then with the whole COVID thing, I didn't really want to walk around. No one was wearing masks, so that was, you know, ain't trying to bring that shit home. This is where the double LEDs come into play. I'm so glad I did that mod. I can actually see even with a tinted visor. Although I need to start wearing my other helmet. I have that other DLX helmet. I need to buy all the GoPro stuff for it so I can set it up to use it, because that's the problem with this helmet. The visor's all messed up now, and I don't know. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was something a little bit different. I was a little awkward, my bad. I just wanted to get out of the house, to be honest. I've been stuck in the house. I haven't been able to ride this thing, and so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna go for a ride and take this thing out. And fortunately, it was close to my house. Big shout out to K6 for sending me the info. I mean, on the note of being awkward, what are your guys' tips? Give me some tips on how to be more social socially interactive. I guess that's the term, socially interactive. How not to be so freaking weird trying to talk to people. Like, I was trying to talk to the camera guy. I figured, you know what, the camera guy, he's filming, you know, I can connect there. So I was trying to talk with him, and I think he was socially awkward too, because we weren't talking. It was kind of funny. I was like, oh, all right, yeah, you're filming and stuff. Although I did follow him on Instagram, so yeah, I want to check him out. He did take some pictures of the Daytona, so we'll see what he got. We'll see what he got. He did say he got like, he took some pictures recently of like some cars that ended up on a magazine, so that's pretty cool. Can't lie about that. I know it's super dark right now. I don't know how good you can see. It's actually probably the first time I'm using the Hero 8 at night, where I'm out riding and making a vlog, so hopefully it's a lot better than the Hero 4 that I was using. I think the Hero 4 Black. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and you guys had a good time. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification button. It really helps, like I said. And then yeah, no matter what time you guys are watching this, day, night, weekend, evening, I know those aren't times, but yeah, whenever you're watching this, hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. And until next time, peace.